Want to start a business? But don't have money for inventory? Don't worry, because with print on demand, you don't need it. Here's how it works. You create a simple design, a quote, a funny phrase, or even basic artwork, and upload it to a platform like Redbubble, TeeSpring, or Spreadshirt. When someone buys it, they print your design on a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, and ship it directly to the customer. You never touch the product. You don't deal with packaging. You just collect your profit. Let me show you an example. A girl in India created a t-shirt that said, "Introverts unite separately." She uploaded it to Redbubble, and within 30 days, it sold over 120 times. Each sale made her around $5 profit. That's $600 in a single month from one simple design. You don't need to be an artist. You can use Canva or even AI tools to make professional designs in minutes. Here's the best part. You don't pay anything up front. These platforms are free to join, and they only take a cut after you make a sale. All you need is creativity, consistency, and a little patience. So if you're tired of waiting to start a business, start with print on demand. It's low risk, high potential, and it might just be your first step to financial freedom. Subscribe to The Inner Light for more silent hustle stories and online income ideas.